Hey team, I'm trying to work on installing an electric fan on this old truck, but something that often gets overlooked with using multimeters, I thought I'd remind everybody. It's our test leads. This is a set of the Fluke TL175 Test Leads. They have a really neat feature. A lot of us lose the little plastic cap that you put on the tip of a test lead that helps to change the lead over to the proper category rating in an industrial environment. On these leads, you can simply twist the front of the lead, and it even reminds you on the lead exactly what category rating it's now applicable for. Very handy feature, and I like using it even in an application that's low voltage, like a 12 volt application. It still covers my lead up, so I don't have any chance of arcing in this DC application. You can also attach some of these screw-on alligator clips. There's a whole line of accessories for the front of these leads that will attach to this threaded portion of the lead here at the front. The other thing, I know a lot of us take our leads and we wrap up meters real tight, and we never pay attention to the potential of having little nicks inside of our test leads. If you actually nick these test leads, there's a white undercoating underneath there, so you can very easily identify whether you've got an issue. So anyway, just a quick reminder, something I thought was pretty neat. Give it a try.